Welcome to Casaroro Falls. Let's go! Mayong buntag mga dong mga day, ang akong pangalan ay si Cheno.
And I'm Alex.
And karong adlaw, magbisita mi sa Dumaguete City. Well, actually, we're gonna explore outside of Dumaguete City in hopes to, see a few waterfalls. Hopefully makakita mi og maybe duha or tolo, depende sa oras, but that's the plan for today. So, tara! Alright you guys, so this is our whip for the day. We got Jan and Ann with us on this trip. Hey guys! They're joining us on this waterfall hopping trip. So excited. You keen, baby?
Yeah, let's go. I'll just have the breeze.
And Zoe have joined us. Hello, hello.
Hi, hi.
The full team is here.
Hello.
But our window's broken, so I don't know what we're gonna do about that.
What is going on?
So niabot na mi din sa sa parking. Pwede kami sure kung duha ka waterfalls din because we're trying to see Casaroro Falls, but there's also Limotakna. I think it might be the same falls. And we just asked the kuya that it's gonna be half hour to walk there. Oh my gosh. I didn't expect that, so we'll see how we go. When you walk up to the restaurant here, there's a 20 pesos fee of some sort. I don't know what it is, but 20 pesos per head. This is before you get to the waterfalls. And we're gonna get a guide which is 200 pesos for 3 people, or per 3 people. So we might get 2 guides, but I'm trying to see if we can just get 1 because 1 should be fine. So, tara. Bebe, are you ready to go?
Ready.
On this 30-minute trek?
No, not really.
Oh shoot. Oh,
we have to do
geez.
it.
It looks so nice out here though, like Jurassic Park vibes. Look at that. So jungly out here, I love it. The one positive thing so far about this is we're going down. We're under the shade. Good, good. But this is gonna be half hour and going back up is gonna be it's gonna be rough. Okay, so we've made it down the stairs and now it's a little bit easier. We've got a pathway. It's all cemented, even the stairs was cemented and there were some metal stairs towards the end. But yeah, our guide is pretty much showing us where to go. We can slowly hear the falls, but I think we might still be far from the actual waterfalls itself. We've just got a river stream down there, which is really cool. Damn you guys, this is such a picturesque walk, like right in the middle of the jungle, by the water. It's giving me the Tumpak Cebu vibes in East Java, Indonesia. Like, we're so low now, and we've got like cliffside, like huge walls of nature. Damn, this is quite nice. So we're hoping to get to the waterfall soon, because I'm sweating like crazy. So yeah, let's keep going. We'll see you at the falls. Unfortunately, this bridge doesn't work, so we have to do a little bit of a river crossing. It's not too bad. Rocks aren't slippery, so that's good. Still a bit sketchy though, especially with all our gear just hanging out. You got this, Lex? So that literally just happened to me too. It'll be safe there, I think. There you go. Kuya's going to rescue Alex's slippers this time. That literally just happened to me. Yay! Thank you, God. Okay, we got past the river crossing. We almost had 2 casualties, my slippers and Alex's slippers, but we recovered it. Just, this is amazing, you guys. You have to be here because the cameras just don't do it justice. Like the views we have, the greenery and the nature. I think I've said it too many times, but wow, this is so good. Bit of a far trek, especially when you have creators always wanting to shoot, aka me. I'm trying to shoot all the B-roll that I can because it's pretty nice down here. Yay, she got it. Go here. Nice. I literally want to go in this right now. The water is nice and cold. It's so refreshing. This is a spot, but not really, so we have to keep moving forward. Whoa! Oh damn! I didn't expect that. It's so funny, you guys, because I was literally just filming with my phone, filming the kuya, and then next minute we turn the corner and the waterfalls is there. There's still a bit to go, and I can't wait to go in. But I think that only took us about 20 minutes, not a half hour, so that was good. But let's go. Let's get in. So exciting. We're practically at the falls, final walk, and we're there. And we've got Zar flying the drone for us as we walk to the falls. That is awesome. Okay, I'll just take I'll be careful, okay. Guys, niabot na gid mi din sa waterfall, and oh my god, it is absolutely plummeting. Look at that. Oh shoot, that's so tall. I can't wait to go in, but I think we're gonna shoot some content first. Damn, I'm so excited. Well, I'm so happy to be here, guys. One waterfall, hopefully we can visit more. Wow, let's take it in. Let's make the most out of it.
Don't keep sailing away into the edge of time. Wake up to find it all slipping away. In the dark, in the rain, I was breaking down.
The video!
Wow, you guys, that was quite amazing. Such a nice waterfall. Look at that. Damn. Grabe gid kachada ang kanang Kasaroro waterfall. It's like, what do you think about it?
It's so beautiful. Like, look how high that is. I've never. Well, I just feel like we haven't really seen a really good waterfall in a long, long time.
Yeah.
Since obviously Indonesia,
Oh,
which
yeah.
was what, 2019.
Yeah, that's right. It's been a while to see
Yeah.
like a nice tall waterfall.
Yeah.
Super refreshing in there, guys. It was so fun.
Yeah.
And the guys got to swim in for a little bit. So yeah, I think it's almost 1:30, almost 2 o'clock, somewhere
yeah.
around there. And we're hoping to squeeze in one more waterfall. We'll see kung gusto nila muatupag isa ka waterfall. So sige, let's go on the long treacherous journey back up those stairs. All right, tara. We just made it back to the stairs, and my goodness, it's starting off pretty steep. I don't know if you can see that. Oh gosh, look at that. I don't know if you can tell, but these stairs are so steep now. It wasn't too bad going down. Going up's a whole different story. Whew. I'll see you up there, guys. All right, you guys, that wasn't actually too long. I think it took about 20 to 25 minutes. We're here, back at the top, at the restaurant where we registered. So, dinimi mo kaon before we take on another falls. Hopefully we can do one more. We'll try and keep the spirits up for everyone. So, kakayanin natin. Okay, I'm so puffed out. Let's eat. All right, so our food's arrived. What'd you get for us?
So I have beef tacos here and mango shake. Just so
favorite.
good after that long hike up. Yeah.
And then I got
And
calamansi
calamansi
juice for me. Well, we're sharing everything, so.
Yeah, this is so good actually.
Okay, let's refuel.
Mukbang.
Okay, busog na kayo me. And we're gonna walk back to the car now. And make our way to the next falls. Hopefully we can find it. Walay signal din so kailangan ming mabalik sa main road. Tapos among i-GPS na mo. Sige, see you there. Niabot namin, nakapark na ang among sakyanan. And I believe there isn't like a whole hike or trek according to Ate from the restaurant. So yeah, it's showing us that the entrance is right here. There you go. The entrance is right here, Pulang Bato Waterfalls. So let's head in. I'm sure there's a registration somewhere. Guys, this is so funny. Is this legit? Clothing is optional. Well then. So guys, it is 100 pesos per person. Entry fee here at Pulang Bato Falls. And that's just to swim. But they do have like stores here to buy snacks and whatnot. So, I mean, we just ate, so we're good. But that's not going to I feel like I'm going in a club. Alright, let's go. Okay, wow, so there's actually a couple of waterfalls. Here's the warm-up, but Pulang Bato Waterfalls, it means red rock. And this is why. Look at that. It literally is a red rock there. That is awesome. So look at this. They've got like some sort of bridge. I guess it's for photo ops and whatnot. Damn, that's so sick. Oh, we do have to cross the bridge because I see that there's a swimming pool, like a stairs and whatnot. So let's go.
I'm running your way, but you push me away. Your lifeline, losing your mind.
Sige guys, lakaw na takay. Nagbayad ba tag 100 pesos, so we gotta go in before it gets too dark here. Damn, it's a bit shaky walking on this bridge. Look at this. Because we're all, oh shoot, we're all counterbalancing one another. Oh my gosh. There you go. Once you pass that bridge, you've got the steps and you've got the waterfall. Damn, grabe kachada. I've never seen anything like this. The red rock. This was a lot easier than the first falls. The first falls was stunning though, but it's kind of nice to just be here already. All right, sige, langoy-langoy tata.
You think you're too far, but I'm where you are, you know. I said I.
Alright babe, what do you think of the falls?
It's actually really good. I've
Yeah?
never seen a red rocks in the falls before.
Yeah, hey, that was pretty
Yeah, so cool.
Is it
And I
cold?
went inside.
cool. Yeah, freezing?
It was a little bit cold.
Oh,
Yeah,
shit.
I was freezing a little bit after,
Yeah.
but I'm good now. So it was refreshing.
Yeah, look at that. That's a pretty unique falls for sure. Pretty unique.
Alright, let's head to the other one.
Let's go.
Isibog may din sa mas gamay nga tubig, mas gamay na waterfall. Kay mas kalma po din eh. Wanna kind of chill out to end the day, so let's hop in this one, you guys. I'll leave the camera down and we'll just swim around. It's cold. Wait. It's about like my height.
That's more than your height.
I mean, you know, my reach. Huh? Yeah. I touched the bottom. Yeah. This is refreshing. Perfect place to end the day. It's getting dark, so. Woo! You just gotta. Guys, salamat kaayo sa pagtanaw sa aking video. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog, and if you did, leave a like because it really does help out tiny channels like mine. And wow, what a trip this was. Grabe kaayo, chada kaayo ang trip namo sa Sikihor and even our short time here in Dumaguete. But that's it, you guys. The trip is officially over and we go home tomorrow. We have to say bye to our friends, which is never a fun time. Where's Zara and Zoe? There they are. They're doing their outro as well. But yeah, make sure you subscribe not only to me, but to Alex, to Jan and Anne, to Zoe and Zara. And I don't know when I'll see you, but I guess we'll see you again.
Very
See you again.
soon.
Very soon. All right. Bye guys. Take care.